In this video, we'll introduce how to use the click element block. Its purpose is to simulate a user clicking an element on a web page. For example, opening a link, submitting a form, expanding a menu, and so on. Next, let's see how this block works. First, drag the click element block into the canvas. Then set the target element you want to click. Click this icon to open the element finder. Then pick the element you want to click from the page. Alright, let's run it. As you can see, it successfully clicked the button. This block provides two trigger modes. Script mode. It's lighter, faster, and works for most cases. We recommend using it first. Debugger mode. It simulates interaction more like a real user, and can sometimes bypass anti-bot detection. But it's heavier and the browser will show obvious prompts. You can choose the mouse button you need. For example, left or right buttons. You can also choose single click or double click. You can also set modifier keys. Click while holding Ctrl or Shift, for example. Here's a real example. When clicking a link, hold Ctrl, and it will open in a new tab. Alright, let's try it. First, update the target element. I am using a Mac, so I'll choose the Command key here. If you are on Windows, choose the Control key. Click the Start button. Oops, there's a prompt. Turns out the browser blocked it. Let's allow it here. Okay, let's try again now. Nice, it opened the page in a new tab. But if you pay close attention, unlike a manual click, when clicking in script mode, it automatically switches to the new tab. Sometimes this can be disruptive. If you want it to behave like a real click, just switch to debugger mode. Alright, let's try it. Nice, now it opens the page quietly in the background. When this option is enabled, if the target element is off screen, it will scroll it into view first. Then simulate a mouse clicking on it. This makes it feel more like a real person. Let's see an example. For example, we want to click this button. Scroll it out of view first. Then start the recipe. You can see it scrolls the button into view first, then clicks it. If clicking a link opens a new tab, you can check this option. This way you can continue nesting other blocks here to handle follow-up tasks. Let's use a sleep block to replace the actual action. Here's an example. Clicking will open a new tab. Update the target element. Start the recipe, then watch the page change. Nice, it worked as expected. Next, let's do a fun exercise. For example, on Amazon, extract all product titles. Then click them one by one to open product details. Alright, let's start. Note that after switching to list mode, it selects the whole product list, but we only need the titles. Press 2 to select all similar elements here. After opening the detail page, you can extract data or download images. We won't go into that here. Alright, all done, let's run it and see. Pretty good, it opened the product details one by one. That's all the usage of the click element block. Clicking is one of the most common and basic interactions on the web. Master it and you can easily automate many actions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.